Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Studio, where learning English is friendly, simple, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Paul. We are happy you are here with us today.
Let me ask you a question. What is the weather like today where you are? Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold?
We talk about the weather every day. It is one of the most common topics in English conversations. So today we will practice English for talking about the weather.
In this lesson, you will learn how to describe weather in simple, everyday English.
We will teach you common weather words, easy sentences you can use today, questions you can ask about the weather, and mini dialogues to help you speak naturally.
And at the end, we will practice speaking together, so stay until the end. Let's start with simple weather words. Repeat after us.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool.
Great. Let's practice sentences. It is sunny.
It is cloudy.
It is rainy.
It is windy.
Good job. You are learning real English.
We often ask, what's the weather like? How is the weather today?
Repeat after me, slowly. What's the weather like?
Again, what's the weather like?
Paul, what's the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Oh, wonderful. I love sunny days.
Let's learn longer sentences. Repeat after us. It is a beautiful day. It looks like rain. The weather is nice. It is very hot today. It is freezing outside.
Again, slowly. It is a beautiful day.
It looks like rain.
The weather is nice.
It is very hot today.
It is freezing outside.
Anna, how's the weather in your city?
It is cool and windy today. I need a jacket.
Wow. Here it is warm and sunny. I don't need a jacket.
We also talk about weather when we describe seasons. Repeat after me. Spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter.
Good. Now sentences. Summer is hot. Winter is cold. Spring is warm. Autumn is cool.
Let's practice in a little conversation. Paul, what is your favorite season?
I like spring. The weather is warm and comfortable.
Nice. I like winter. I love cold weather.
Rain is very common. Let's learn how to talk about it. Repeat. It is raining. It might rain. It looks like rain. There is a storm.
Let's use them. It looks like rain today, Paul.
Yes. Don't forget your umbrella.
Sometimes the weather is very hot. We can say, it is very hot today. It is boiling.
During cold weather, we can say, it is freezing today. It is very cold.
Let's practice. Paul, are you cold?
Yes, I am freezing.
When the sky is full of clouds, we say, it is cloudy. The sky is gray.
When it is windy, we say, it is windy. The wind is strong.
It is windy today.
Yes. Hold your hat.
People often talk about weather when meeting someone. Example, nice weather today, right? It's a bit cold today.
These short comments help start conversations. Nice weather today, right, Anna?
Yes, it feels so good outside. Repeat after us. What's the weather like? It is sunny. It is windy. It is raining. It is freezing. Nice weather today.
Great repetition.
Now it's your turn to speak. I will say the weather word. You make a sentence. Ready? Sunny. Say, it is sunny. Cloudy. Say, it is cloudy. Windy. Say, it is windy. Great job. Now let's make conversation. I ask, you answer. What's the weather like? Good. Again, how is the weather today? Excellent. Now repeat full sentences after me. The weather is nice today. It might rain. It is hot outside. I love cold weather.
You are doing great. Keep speaking aloud. Practice makes you confident.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write in the comments. What is the weather like today where you live? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold?
Tell us below. We love reading your answers.
You did amazing today. You learned many useful weather expressions.
Remember, simple English is powerful. Use these sentences every day.
Thank you for learning with us at Daily English Studio.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for more English lessons.
We will see you again soon.
Take care and have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.